Good day, everyone. Today, we will be discussing changing fraction to lowest term. Together, let's make learning mathematics fun and easy. In the previous lesson, you have learned how to get the greatest common factor or GCF of two numbers using the prime factorization. In this new lesson, you will use the GCF to get the lowest form or terms of the fractions. To find the lowest term or to change the fraction into its lowest form, you will need to find first the greatest common factor of both numerator and denominator. Let us study the example below. Change a 12th to lowest term. Step 1. Find the prime factors of 8 and 12 or both numerator and denominator to get the GCF. Prime factorization of 8 and 12. 8, 12. The prime factor of number 8 is 2 times 2 times 2. The prime factorization of 12 is 2 times 2 times 3. We have two common factors. The first 2 and the second 2. 2 times 2 equals 4. 4 is the GCF of 8 and 12. Step 2. Divide both 8 and 12 or both numerator and denominator with the same number or GCF. 8 divided by 4 equals 2. 12 divided by 4 equals 3. Therefore, the lowest form of 8/12 is 2/3. Let's do this. Change the following fractions into its lowest term. 9/12. The prime factor of 9 is 3 times 3. 12 is 2 times 2 times 3. We have one common factor, which is number 3. 9 divided by 3 equals 3. 12 divided by 3 equals 4. The lowest form of 9/12 is 3/4. 10/18. The prime factor of 10 is 2 times 5. 18 is 2 times 3 times 3. We have one common factor, which is number 2. 10 divided by 2 equals 5. 18 divided by 2 equals 9. The lowest form of 10/18 is 5/9. 1836. The prime factor of 18 is 2 times 3 times 3. 36 is 2 times 2 times 3 times 3. We have 3 common factors: 2, 3, and 3. 2 times 3 times 3 equals 18. 18 divided by 18 equals 1. 36 divided by 18 equals 2. The lowest form of 1836 is 1/2. 1226. The prime factor of 12 is 2 times 2 times 3, while 26 is 2 times 13. We have one common factor, which is number 2. 12 divided by 2 equals 6. 26 divided by 2 equals 13. The lowest form of 12/26 is 6/13. 24/40. The prime factor of 24 is 2 times 2 times 2 times 3, while 40 is 2 times 2 times 2 times 5. We have 3 common factors, which is all number 2. 2 times 2 times 2 equals 8. 24 divided by 8 equals 3. 40 divided by 8 equals 5. The lowest form of 24/40 is 3/5. 28/36. The prime factors of 28 is 2 times 2 times 7, while 36 is 2 times 2 times 3 times 3. We have 2 common factors, which is number 2. 2 times 2 equals 4. 28 divided by 4 equals 7. 36 divided by 4 equals 9. The lowest form of 28/36 is 7/9. Let's do this. Put a check if the fraction is already in its simplest form and put an X if not. 18/60 is X. 5/12 is check. 20/32 is X. 7/9 is check. 12/25 is X. 34/85 is check. 25/60 is X. 35/43 is check. 35/78 is check. 14/15 is check. 13/19 is check. 16/48 is X. Let's do this. Express the given fractions in its simplest form or lowest term. The prime factors of 27 is 3 times 3 times 3, while 49 is 7 times 7. This fraction has no common factor. That is why it is already on its simplest form. (25/45). The prime factor of 25 is 5 times 5. 75 is 5 times 3 times 3. We have one common factor with each number 5. 25 divided by 5 equals 5. 45 divided 5 equals 9. The lowest form of 25/45 is 5/9. 15/18. The prime factor of 15 is 3 times 5. 18 is 3 times 2 times 3. We have one common factor, which is number 3. 15 divided by 3 equals 5. 18 divided by 3 equals 6. The lowest form of 15/18 is 5/6. 14/42. 14 is 2 times 7. 42 is 2 times 7 times 3. We have two common factors, 2 and number 7. 2 times 7 equals 14. 14 divided by 14 equals 1. 42 divided by 14 equals 3. The lowest form of 14/42 is 1/3. 16/48. The prime factor of 16 is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, while 48 is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. We have 4 common factors, which is all number 2. 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 equals 16. 16 divided by 16 equals 1. 48 divided by 16 equals 3. The lowest form of 1648 is 1/3. 9/54. The prime factor of 9 is 3 times 3. 54 is 2 times 3 times 3 times 3. We have two common factors, which is the number 3. 3 times 3 equals 9. 9 divided by 9 equals 1. 54 divided by 9 equals 6. The lowest form of 9/54 is 1/6. Let's do this. Select the fractions that are already in its simplest form. We have 5/8, 7/11, 17/19, 13/26, 11/20, 13/19, 19/27, 11/21, and 13/19. Let's do this. Express the following fractions in lowest term. 15, 50. The prime factor of 15 is 3 times 5. 50 is 2 times 5 times 5. We have one common factor, which is number 5. 15 divided by 5 equals 3. 50 divided by 5 equals 10. The lowest form of 15/50 is 3/10. 8/24. The prime factor of 8 is 2 times 2 times 2, while 24 is 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. We have 3 common factors, which is number 2. 2 times 2 times 2 equals 8. 8 divided by 8 equals 1. 24 divided by 8 equals 3. The lowest form of 8/24 is 1/3. 14/49. The prime factor of 14 is 2 times 7, while 49 is 7 times 7. We have one common factor, which is the number 7. 14 divided by 7 equals 2. 49 divided by 7 equals 7. The lowest form of 1449 is 27. 663. The prime factor of 6 is 2 times 3. 63 is 3 times 3 times 7. We have one common factor, which is number 3. 6 divided by 3 equals 2. 63 divided by 3 equals 21. The lowest form of 663 is 221. 1881. The prime factor of 18 is 2 times 3 times 3. 81 is 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. We have two common factor, which is number 3. 3 times 3 equals 9. 18 divided by 9 equals 2. 81 divided by 9 equals 9. The lowest form of 1881 is 2/9. 944. The prime factor of 9 is 3 times 3. 44 is 2 times 2 times 11. There is no common factor. That is why the fraction is already on its simplest form. Always remember, to simplify fractions or change fractions into lowest form, divide both numerator and denominator by their greatest common factor or GCF. When the GCF of both numerator and denominator is 1, the fraction is in the lowest term. Thank you for watching. Till our next mathematics lesson. Goodbye!